Pag kinagat, bitaw na. Kuha ka na, Evs.
Let's go.
Mag-picture kayo sa camel. You want camel? You want to feed?
Once they bite it, just let go. Yeah.
Sideways bigay mo.
You have to let go when the camel gets it.
Ayaw si chicken.
Kinuha niya na. Gusto mo yan? Ayaw mo yung camel? Ito. Let go Let go. Yay! Kasi yung horse, horse.
Ito sa horse, donkey.
Go get some more. Yung horse, you can feed. Yeah, pwede raw yung horse, yung donkey. No, horse lang yun eh.
Yan no. Ito.
Waiting siya. Let go. Yeah, yum yum. See? When you eat it, you let go of it. Okay? You want more? Get you more. Hold mo. Sino gusto mo? The donkey. Oh, cute ng donkey.
Yung camel, maraming ano yata. Maraming nag-feed sa camel.
Kasi siya yung special eh. Video ba yan?
Video.
Show the donkey. Kawawa si donkey. Hungry, oh.
Ang cute naman.
Ang cute na ng donkey. Baby donkey. Look here. Here. Ito pa, oh. You want to give the donkey?
Did you have a piece of
Herbivore? Yeah, flat, no? Give. No, asking for more before is he hungry. Did you hear him? He said, knock, knock. I need
That's
more.
how they do it, Mom?
Yeah,
They-
catch your attention.
They want something here. How do you know?
Eto naman, ba't ang konti?
That's not.
Bayat siya. Next, ano gusto mo? Ito ba, horse? Who else you want to feed? The goat? Wala pumapansin sa goat?
Mommy, all of them are knocking it because they want some too.
They want some too. Nag-knock-knock sila? Ano, ba't mo tinapon lahat?
I'm not sure about the camel.
The camel, marami yata nag-feed. Sino pa gusto mo? That one, the kawawang horse all the way there.
Can I just grab some piece of horse?
Kinuha ni Rafa yung amin.
Sino mag-video?
Ikaw, mag-video. Walang pumapansin dito sa gaya na to. Galit ka. Sabi niya, finally, someone's paying attention to me.
What's the goat? What's his name?
Then give mo yung goat. The same.
Just Jordan's right. They will be
Give the goat.
Go inside.
Ano, too far.
Go inside.
You throw it in?
Hindi abot yung ano niya.
Ano?
Wawa
Or
naman.
naman si Mami mag-throw. Get something na pa ko. Nag-stretch siya. Nakikita mo. Toss it in. Wala, still not long enough. Walang nagpapakain din sa goat na yun. Nag-kneel na siya. Oh. Just to eat it.
Naku.
Throw, Mark. Try mo yan.
Ay.
Throw more. So hard to reach. Kawawa ka naman. Ayan, thank you Evan and Rafa.
Goat is happy now.
Goat is happy na. Naka-kneel na siya, Mark, sa sobrang gusto
Wawa,
kumain.
ano? Oo.
Ito ba yung tiyan niya? Ang buto-buto.
Ba't hindi siya pinapaano, no?
Baka violent din siya.
What's that?
Kaya shorter yung
Wait, that's a goat. Who's that? Is it you?
goat. This is a sheep.